Naked. I know. Okay, so it's 6 right now. It's before the challenge happened, and we found the creepiest thing ever. I was singing my favorite song into this right here. Wait, let me show you. No, let me show you. It's this right here. It's the camera. And watch this. Watch this. What made it sound? No, watch this. No, watch this, okay? Okay. Who are you? What are you? And what are you doing in my house? Did you hear that sound? Okay, let's do this. Oh, made a sound. I don't know what the heck that thing is, and I don't know what it's doing in my house, but I want it to get out, like, now. Wait, is the garage opening? Oh no. Oh no, we gotta go. Oh no, it's getting dark. Close the door. And that's why we're spending 24 hours in this room. Okay, so guys, we just got in, and the creepy guy is like gone now, and donuts. So we're gonna eat some little baby donut. Sandra and Preston came to just chill out with us. We have toys, action figures, play food, more play food. We have music. We have a microscope. Get my yellow. Wait, you have the exactly same card. Okay, so what should I do? Sandra literally said, I have a feeling I can win. And in fact, she had the most cards at the end. Preston won. Yay. I was the most medium.
I'm gonna destroy you next time. I'm gonna destroy you next time.
Okay,
so
I've just finished my flag, the finished flag. It looks pretty awesome. Let's put this in Pocky's cage. It's gonna be right here. A reminder that Pocky likes Finland. I don't know if he actually likes Finland, but it looks like a good decoration. I think Pocky will like it. Okay, so
oh my god, that was good.
they're having a battle with their toy guns. And I am going to try to complete this puzzle with these flags. Sandra is going to read all of these books to us.
Okay. Dogs help people in many ways. Help pull leads and crawl. Whee! So people use dog's leads to race.
I'm gonna play with my toy planets. Welcome to my spaceship. This is my spaceship, and this tells me where I'm going. Let's go to Neptune. Oh, it's so shaky. It's getting a bit darker because the sun is further away from the sun. But it's still shaky. Oh, we're here to Neptune. Oh, Neptune is so blue. Look how blue Neptune is. I want to go back to Earth. We're here on Earth. We have arrived to Earth. Guys, I know their evil scheme. They're trying to get me out. And I'm walking weird because of this lump on my foot.
What is doing to you?
Hey guys, does anyone have a knife? Because I want to cut Sandra's head open. And I want to see what's inside. I think this is how you cut Sandra's brain. This sharp thing.
Oh.
Yes.
What do you call it, demons?
He literally...
Oh, am I having a surgery?
Oh my gosh! What are the demons on? Look at Sandra's brain. It's so tiny.
Oh.
Sandra, look at your brain. It's so tiny. It has eyes too.
And I can talk.
I'm the baby. Guys, I'm the baby.
No, you're not. I am the baby. Stop, you two. I am the big brother. Oh no, I am the fatty brother. Are you a rock star?
Really weird white room. Well, I'll give you a hint. Yes, I'm on the toilet. Preston's trying to break in. The Chick-fil-A's not sitting well. I'm gonna go do my Duolingo.
Oikea, oikea.
I wonder what they are doing outside.
Ready?
Guys, we're 4 hours in and we're doing baby quizzes. I'm failing. Cool. I'm losing.
Face up, everybody. Oh, face up. Okay, now, everybody, breathe through your nose and extend your palms up. Whoever talks is gonna have a punishment. Quiet for 1
One is square looking, one is rectangle. Okay, so now we are 5 hours in and Sandra...
Down. Okay, we need to.
Sandra,
I think we need to call the police.
Sandra and Preston are making their masterpiece. Preston made an amazing tree-looking object.
No, come here. No, it's not a tree. What? Come here.
The one in the background is Sandra's, which looks like a robot, right? Welcome to Adventure Kid Yoga Exercise.
No, we're gonna do stretching.
Yeah, stretching exercise. So first thing is that we're gonna stretch our legs to the top, trying to each legs, trying to stretch our legs. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yes. And it'd be great if you guys do it with us. And next up, we have jumping jacks.
Oh shit! Oh shit! We can do low impact.
kicking. Make sure you kick. Now, small jumps. Small touch your toes as far as we can.
Touch and touch and touch.
And then after that, now we're gonna reach for the sky. Try to touch the ceilings.
Wiggle your fingers.
Wiggle your
Wiggle your toes.
Very satisfying.
I think we're done with the stretch.
I think we're done with the stretching. I think we're all hyped.
A is for alligator. B is for bear. False?
Cool.
False?
Yes. No, actually 6 hours and 20 minutes. And Sandra is about to give me frozen raspberries.
That has to be.
Now we're gonna play mini golf with this pretty cool ball. So now guys, we're gonna set up the mini golf. I'm gonna put this ball right here. Sandra can beat me. Yeah, you start there.
One, two, wait.
Yes.
4.
5. 6.
You won.
Thank you. Let's add Preston to the fun.
Give us some privacy.
Preston is
Give
crying.
us some privacy. We want some privacy. Let's show our tongue.
He's crying because
Let's
he
show our
lost.
tongue. 1, 2, 3. Show your tongue.
Guys, today we're gonna shop at Sandra's and Preston's shopping
Grocery
spree.
store.
Okay,
Oh, hi. How are you?
I'm good.
Today, what are you looking for today? We
Today-
have fresh meats right here. We have fruits and vegetables here. Some food with anything.
Broccoli. Some lettuce.
We just got fresh eggs right now if you want some. Organic.
Take an egg. And I'll take pizza slice. There's tomato ketchup. I'm gonna put it. Maybe I'll take this. I take that too. Okay, what is there? My favorite flavor is strawberry. Okay, so cashier. I would like ice cream, strawberry flavor. Yeah, some bread, and lettuce, eggs, broccoli, and a pretzel. How much would that be? That would be. Can I pay you for a giant Pokemon card? Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you for shopping with us.
You're welcome.
It's gonna
3,
be
2, 1, go.
How much is gonna be today?
It will be $4,000.
What? $4,000? How this happen? Can you check my bill again? My God, prices are getting so high these days.
Guys, we're 8 hours in. The play market was really fun. Sandra just left. So, it's almost dinner time. 10 hours in. I'm gonna complete my drawing lesson. 11 hours in. Guys, it's super dark. The birds are sleeping. Super duper duper cute when they sleep. And I'm gonna try to get some Z's. Guys, I'm gonna try going to bed. Guys, 18 hours in. Woohoo. See, Pocky is being a curious bird. Uh-oh, here he comes. I don't know what Pocky's doing. He just keep walking on my hand. Just look at him. Show it. He's just walking on my hand. Can't do what he's doing. I don't know what he's doing. Let's look up and see. This might look like a real gun, but it's in fact a toy gun. Hour. So that means we're 22 hours in. Now we're gonna read these books. These 3 books.
Moo. The grass sprouts. The bus stop at the marketplace. Some shoppers get off. The bus stop at the junkyard. No one gets off. I learned to run from my friend's horse. Neigh, 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 neigh. I learned to march from my friend's rooster.
Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
And a quiet old lady who was whispering, hush. Good night. Good night, room. Good night, cow. Jumping over bullets. Good night, bullets. Good night, bumps.
That's bomb.
Good night, explosions.
Wait, what? Now we're doing massage, guys. 20 more minutes.
For the massage.
Ducky Doodle. So this is me 6 hours after the adventure, and thanks for watching, and make sure to find your own adventure.